It's him, it's the noise, and he shot himself. Okay, cool. Last episode. Wow, isn't that insane? We're at the last episode already of the noise update. Of the nose. Why am I still naked? Oh yeah, I forgot to put that on. Are you all excited because the noise is naked and he's playing Pizza Tower? Wahoo! Okay, I'm gonna stop. Just give me 3. Where's my wife? You're supposed to be here. I thought you loved me. Oh, that's Vigi. What are you looking at? You're like, oh shit, man. I've never been here before, and I'm going. Let me twerk. Alright, we're here. Let's go to the most boring level first in this level. I'll admit, don't make it sound as better than this one, but like, you know, I don't even care this time. No achievements. Just playing out. Bring some noise. Die. Thank you. I still don't know how I'm killing ghosts. Oh, there you are. Come on. Oh my god, it's Perdido. Oh my god, it's the Dies. Where's the Dies? There's the Dies. There he is. Is that just butt thing? Oh, there's the Dies, the only good character. No, this guy won't leave me alone. Bro, I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. So I have my mushroom with me and you're just not gonna leave me alone. Okay, look, I got my other child with me and you still won't leave me alone. You creep! I'm a single mother and look what you're doing. Wait. Oh my god, never mind. You get the tension. Dougie Jones. It would have been a cool reference if you could save one of them. Like, in this level... Oh my god, flesh donut noise. Anyway, I meant, like, it would be cool if you save them in this one. Like, you know how in Gnome Forest? In Gnome Forest, right? Like, the noise goblins wave to you. Yeah, what if, like, they did that in here? The Pizzards. It's Dougie Jones from the comics, and it's just a Pizzard with nachos, and he exists, I guess. I don't know if he has a major role or not. I just know he existed. Yeah, it would have been cool if you could, like, save him or spare him. Listen, buddy, I know you're trying to hurt me, but I have a little friend on my side, and his name is... I don't know. White. Okay, is this a toilet reference? Is this Willy Willy a toilet reference? And we are set. That wasn't fast level. Damn, you guys flew all the way back just to say hi to me. Little slap on the wrist. Naughty, naughty. Oh, he's not a rat. He's not a rat like Gustavo did. The noises is less creative. He just has that fucker with him all the time. What about Mr. Orange? He was a character. He's your fucking uncle or something. Race to the town for victory. No. I'm the noise and I'm the best. Okay. Listen, pal, I'm trying to do my best just as a living here. Why don't you do it yourself, fucking lazy? Am I going the right way? I feel like I'm... guys, don't pay attention to that. I just want to get out of here. This is the last episode of The Noise. I know Peppino, if you play again, you get new clothing, but like, I don't think I'd record that, because who would want to watch me play Pizza Tower as Peppino again? I already did it once. Unless you actually want to. Comment down below if you want to see that. That one singular block stopping me. I don't know how I did that. Damn, naked noise is something I'd never think of Pizza Tower. What happens if you defeat Pizza Fe- The fuck? Damn, my wife just destroyed like a... What is it called? She destroyed... Oh, cool, I actually got an achievement, even though I was not trying to. She destroyed the ramp. I was gonna say she's delicate, but it seems like, she's gonna rip me in half. That was fun. We got a B rank because I couldn't be bothered to do anything else. Well, time to make sounds. Don't make a sound. At least it's not don't make a noise because, well, that's kind of my name. What's up, gang? Don't worry. I'm scary. I'm scared like you guys. I'm naked. And if there's a child here, well, that's kind of scary because people are scared of naked noises. And the fuck am I talking about? Stop it. Oh, jeez, I don't wanna. Okay, now I have a question. Why is fake pepinos just this? Think hard of it. Think hard enough. Because, like, fake pepinos is black and white. He just gave us his skin. Is it that does the noise and... Oh, look, I'm there. My beautiful self. Yes, little topping, follow the naked man with his fucking baby wipes as a back bling or whatever you call them. Cape. We have things what we call people back in Brooklyn. We call you guys pedophiles. And let's say you don't take kindly to them. Okay, buddy? No, we're fucked. Hey, I'm just here to check up on you. Oh, what's up, dude? Okay, I'm not taking friendly, I guess. Holy shit, the noise is dead. No, not anymore. Stop dying. Well, hey, I definitely, what achievement will we get, man? Definitely not any. You know, fuck it, we already got caught. Doesn't matter now. I am the noise. I am the noise. I am the noise. I am the noise. I'm the noise. Wow, I can't believe I'm noise. Why am I caring to kill these guys? It's not like my combo is asking for it. Just a little sneak peek. Okay, so it is possible. I guess it's possible. See ya. Oh shit, we might have to run actually. As the noise has said. Damn, what's up, gang? I don't have the pineapple yet. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, what's up, Joe?
My mommy said you're trouble.
Oh, shit, get me out of there, bro. Okay, cool. Oh, what the fuck is noises? We ain't seen this yet. Oh shit, it's from the boss fight. I didn't know he kept this. I think he barely had to change any sprites, you know? Like, he's already set them all. I heard he's already set them all up, so... Moment you've been waiting for, trying to get the tower door. Shut the fuck up about your pizza time, because it's noises. Puppet noiser. Don't worry, wife, I'll get you out of this. I'll get out. What the fuck? I'll get you out of this right in a jiffy. Die. What's up, man? Welcome to the party. My one stupid fuck-ass tooth keeps interrupting everything. Dude, stop doing everything. I can fly. Bro, the noise can do everything, man. Like, we didn't have to get this. But I felt like it would have helped our rank. Yeah. That is disturbing. Alright.
La 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 la. Yummy, I love points, I love points, I love points.
How long have I got? Because this is a pretty slow level now. Let's go. Cheeto, Cheeto, candy eater. Okay, stop. Let me see. One more level to go. Honestly, I was kind of worried that I wasn't recording for a sec, so I had to check. Because I would have to, like, get rid of this entire series if I forgot to record. Listen, have I got any new clothes? I don't want to be naked anymore. It's not really my thing. Let's just look for something we haven't wore yet. Shit, we've wore all of these, never mind. Have we wore new nose TV? I feel like we have. Let's just get something that looks like war anyway. Fuck it, let's just stay naked, who cares? Who's gonna call the police, the IRS? Where's my beautiful wife? Hello, babe, I love you so much. Alright, let's get out. Big. Alright. Oh shit, forgot we had the time. Don't worry, guys. I'm the noise. The noise doesn't fuck about. Okay, that's sort of his whole thing. Never mind. Yummy. I haven't had a rocket in months. My wife never buys it or cooks it for me. My wife never cooks fucking rocket for me. It makes me so upset. I just realised it goes up his arsehole. It shoots out of his arsehole. Why have I now just noticed that? Bye. I did that on purpose just to piss you P-rankers off. That's like a slur. You stupid P-ranker. Thanks, we're in war though, so I wouldn't like that, please. Are we not dead yet? Yummy. I love rockets. They taste so good in my tummy, tummy, tummy. Just fucking give me stuff. Oh, should we have 19 seconds? No, it's not supposed to be like that. Bucket comes in clutch. Oh yeah, this is like some type of fucking. I'm talking about like this is Call of Duty or something. Bucket coming in clutch. All right. You know you're done. Oh yeah, I love the bucket so much. They're just out in the open, aren't they? I can do it. I'm the Noise. The Noise has survived several world wars. It's a part of his lore description. Thank you, Bucket. The Noise's IP address is shown that he's a war vet. Just like Peppino. Why no, Peppino isn't. I don't think Peppino is a war vet, never mind. But like the Noise is. Oh, what's up, Italian man? What's up, Italy? Okay. Peppino's on some freaky shit, man. He's trying to lick me. So I'm not comfortable with that. The Noise doesn't like. But Noisette, yeah, he's fine with her. I heard Noisette's trans. Is that true? Well, I don't care if it is. Good for them. Go away, Peppino! Get out of my way, Peppino and Pizza Man, and I didn't pick up Jerome. I kind of forgot that's the entire reason I didn't do it. Damn, Peppino, go away. I know you like me and shit, but I'm married. Let's go, family. Okay. Oh shit, I actually like need the fig of me. I'll show mercy when this tower crumbles to its knees. Oh shit, wait. No, I shouldn't have killed him. Come here. Okay, yeah. Wait a minute, what the fuck was I trying to ask for the rocket for? I didn't need it. Okay, ignore that, guys. I didn't need the rocket the entire time, but I was like trying to. Wife. Give. Thank you. Hey, but honey, I'm naked. Come on. Oh, wait, shit, wait. You're adorable. Aww. You're adorable. I'm gonna give you all my fucking money. Oh, yeah, we can be the same color as my wife. Let's go. Fuck yeah, feminine side. I'm not girly and all, but like, yeah, fuck this is cool. I'm pink. Oh. Yeah, fuck you, Pizza Head. You don't support me loving my beautiful wife. Get over here. No, my bad. Take as long as you need. Or just fuck off, I don't care. Yay! Alright, go try not waste a bomber or some doing it off camera like I did with Pepperman and I think just only Peppermint. I don't know why, just really bad with Peppermint. Noise pizza. But Noise, you hate pizza. Oh, middle finger. I can't pick up stuff. How will this work? Oh. Straight up abuse. Yeah, this is sick. Don't want you, don't want you, don't want you, don't want you. I will watch this tower fall in the day above it all. Pizza man. Papa John. Bro, you keep littering. I don't want your shit. Quit littering! Hate litterers. They keep littering everywhere. You serious right now? Quit littering, your stupid puny buses. Okay, thank you. Stop littering. Well, if you don't want spoilers, fuck off right now because that's the man. Who is this guy? Oh, I don't even need a gun. Sucks. You got more than me. You've actually got a gun. I've got fuck-ass bomb. B-O-I-O-E-O. Do what you want, do what you want, do what you want, at all, at all. I'm doing this for my beautiful wife. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't even simp for Noise. I'm just being nice. Okay. Come here. Bomb, 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 bomb. Catch this with your fuck-ass Glock. Okay, I'm losing. Oh, I'm dying right now. No, thank you. That is very much appreciated. I'll wait. Fuck yeah. What? Oh, I'm gonna go ape shit again, aren't I? Peppino went ape shit. Now it's Noises. Oh, he doesn't care. Oh no, Noise! Noise goes ape shit. What the fuck? I'm super Noise. Yeah, can't beat me up. You won't. This is cool. I like this. But Peppino's was like 100 times better. But this music is really fitting the mood. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. I can just straight up abuse you. Oh, this is easier if Peppino's like here. Fuck. Peppino's was harder than this. Death. Oh shit. Well, sorry for your loss. Holy shit, I got clothes out of that. That's just mean. Yeah, sorry for not being naked anymore. My fault, gang. It's just I really wanted to support my wife. She gave me these beautiful clothes just for me. She handcrafted them herself. Just die, man. You don't know what a wife is, you ugly bastard. Well, let's go this way. Hi, now we're both white cloak. What's up, Ben? Straight to the mouth? Straight to the mouth. Oh yeah, straight to the mouth. Bro, I love when you taunt, bro. Look. Has the outside glow, like that transparent look. Yummy. I love bombs. They taste so good. I forgot I've been hit like loads of times. Yummy. I love bombs. They taste so good. In my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum. Oh fuck, right shoot. Nice, nice. Oh my god, nice. What are you doing? I didn't get the clothes, so I sort of got to do that again off camera, but who cares? Who cares? We're the noise. Come and bring the night. Okay. We didn't get the clothes, but hey, we're gonna see the ending now. It's the end of the noise It's all the stickers. They're good. Oh my god, Noisette. I'm wearing your clothes because I love you so much. Okay, come on, let's go find everyone else. Oh, there's Noisy. He's wearing my drip too. Shit, we're all like each other, bro. Wearing pink and red. This is our family now. Noisette does not give a fuck, does she? Like, she's just walking, bro. La da 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 da. I've what I need. The fuck? There's lyrics? Probably the only Pizza Tower song with lyrics in this game. I denies. Come on, Faker. Never mind, we're leaving him. Oh, you can die like... Okay, Snot is dead. We killed him. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. My master, what is this? Life ain't no game. Wait for all. Oh, do we save him? Do we at least save the noise goblins, or just... But it looks like no. It looks like no. It looks like a no, we're not saving these guys. Only my gang. Only the gang I came in with. Oh, I love being the rocket. Wow. Yo, yes, so I'm here we are. Oh my god, the bucket? We're bringing the bucket with us, bro. I don't want him alive, sorry. No, we have the bucket with us. We are bringing someone from the tower. Well, he did help us in war and fucking, like, whatever the map was called. Peppy Bot, yeah, that. Sorry. Sorry, I really like you guys, bro, but, like, I can't let you live. Where's the other character who's in, you know, the fucking Pig City in Gnome Forest was him. The good character. Oh, this is a hard area with the noise. So Peppino saves everyone. The noise says fuck you and it lets everyone die. Understanding. Wait, at least save Mort the chicken. He's like the best character. Not then you live. Mort the chicken can die, I guess. Vigi's dead. I mean, everyone's dead. Anyone just thinks that I'm simply just here to annoy. You heard the lyrics one? It's really good. I simply cannot avoid. See, I'm fucking skating for my life. On a rocket! A noise that's just like, yeah, it's me. Oh shit, we have a P rank? P rank in this? This goes hard. No Pepperman. Son needs a nice. Yeah! We escaped the piss towel clothing. Yay. Wow, look at all of us. This beautiful, beautiful couple and our son. Oh yeah, fuck, forgot about you. My bad. My bad gang. Who are you? Yeah, my bad gang. Well, now we'll see everyone escaping the tower. 4 noises. No, just noise. Oh, now we get to see the creators of the stickers. Wow. These are cool. Noise. Loather made. Oh, they're sick. Randy. Oh, these are cool. Let's skip through these then. It's a movie! They paid him to be there. Fake as the Pete's Head. Perdito? Who's the Doys? Where's the Doys? You have everyone else, but not the Doys. Noisette's, you know, tired. Pete's Head's sad. Okay, so this was a whole movie. Did I do good, or did I do bad? Let's see the results. I blame that guy. Fucking Jerome, man. Keep fucking up everything for everyone. I do blame that guy. See, Noise, me and you are alike. I blame that guy. Noisette is heavily disappointed, I guess. Honestly, I just blame that guy. Now, I know there's another thing we gotta go look for. See, this, you can leave now because the noise up there, it's gone. But, like, there's this other thing. Someone told me, someone once told me when I was doing my videos, I ended it, and then my friend texted me. He said, "You done making your video yet?" I'm the Doys. Holy shit, we can be the Doys. I'm being the Doys. Oh, I'm manning this now, guys. Hope you know. Hope you care. Anyway, someone told me, my friend, they said, you know, after you end the noise campaign, you can meet someone. You just gotta go back to, like, where fucking Pizza Head's fight is. And then you see smoke. And I went, alright, cool. I don't believe you. And now I'm gonna go prove them wrong. Can't believe you can be the Doys now. The only good character. Hey, we just beat you up, dude. Like, why are you still here? Hey, we can do that. We can just. I could just like fucking scam you. Smoke. Holy shit, it's Peppino. Alright. Hi, Peppino, it's me, the Dies. It's me, the Dies. It's me, the Dies. Alright. Okay, so what's in his room? I don't know, someone, dog, Peppino, war vet things, a baby. That's the other Peppino from the Twitter post with Pizza Massacre or something. Oh no, Pizza Mania, Snick 2, Jukebox. This is your house. I guess I'll be leaving. SWAT mode unlocked. You're the best. What's SWAT mode? I can play as them both. You can play as them both. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video now. The pizza tower's gone now. Or it ended. Thank you for watching and enjoying this pizza tower series, or if they ever update the game. And bye bye.